Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Optoma GT2100HDR compact short throw laser projector, a small but seriously capable option for movies, gaming, and more. What makes this model stand out right away is its laser light source. Thanks to DuraCore technology, you're getting up to 30,000 hours of use without worrying about replacing bulbs. That means lower maintenance and long-term reliability compared to traditional lamp projectors. In terms of picture quality, it features native 1080p resolution with support for 4K HDR input. The result is sharp detail, strong contrast, and vibrant color that really brings movies and games to life. With a high contrast ratio, bright highlights and deep shadows look more dynamic and immersive. The short throw design is a huge advantage. You can project a massive image from just a few feet away, making it perfect for smaller rooms where space is limited. Gamers will appreciate the enhanced game mode, delivering ultra-low input lag at high refresh rates for smooth, responsive gameplay. With 4,200 lumens of brightness, it also performs well even in rooms with ambient light. Overall, the Optoma GT2100HDR combines strong brightness, low maintenance, and gaming-friendly performance in a compact package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.